Hi first graders, today we're doing lesson 4.17 and we're learning some two-digit addition games. So this slide is for the teacher or the parents to review before playing these games. So if you want to, I'm just going to scroll down here. So on the left side, here is the cucumber game, and the children need the secret code cards in this order, and then you can follow the directions. So at any point, if you need to pause the video and read the directions, there's also directions on the following slide about how to play this game. The second game they're going to play today is called 100 Ants. We kind of played this in an earlier lesson, but this one the kids can kind of do more independently. So there's directions for both these games. So here's the cucumber game, again, with a little bit more friendly directions. Okay. And then here is the ant game when you're done with that one. Okay. Okay. Alright, so after you've done that, this assignment will be very easy. So all you have to do is check the secret code cards and write the number inside the box. So you can see here we have 10 sticks. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, and then we go on to the ones, 71, 72, 73. So right here inside the box you would write 73. Okay, so go ahead and do that for numbers 2, 3, and 4. For numbers 5 through 8, it's our job to write the 10 sticks in the circles to show the number, which I'm sure you're really good at by this point. So here you can see 5 10s, that represents 50, and 2 1s. So let's do that together. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and 2 1s. 1, 2. So now you can see the number 52. Okay, go ahead and do that for numbers 6, 7, and 8, and then flip it over to the back side of the workbook page. On the back side of the workbook page, it's page 190. Here it asks us to draw 10 sticks and circles to count on. So we have to see the number that we're starting with. We count on 4, and then we have to see how many we end up with. Okay, so here it says count on 4. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we need to put 4 more. All right, so we're going to count on 4. We're going to put, we're going to fill up this 10 frame first. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so now that we know that this is a full 10 frame, we have 5 and 5. That gives us 10, 11, 12. 12 total. Okay, let's try number 10. Okay, you can see our number here, but it tells us count on 3, so we have to put 3 more. 1, 2, 3. So we start off by saying 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, we'll do one more together. I'll let you do these ones in the middle. Let's try number 16 together. So we're going to count on 4. So it's really important that you look at this part first before you just count the number and put it in there, because it tells you the directions. Count on 4. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4. We need to add 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's count it out and find out what our number is. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98. 98. Very good. And then your last problem today is write the total for 38 plus 4. If you want to draw it out, you can. If you want to use your fingers, you can, but just put the answer right next to it. Okay? Thank you very much, friends. Good luck playing your games, and filling out the rest of your workbook. Talk to you tomorrow.